wish I had like a little tripod I could just put the camera on here, like stick it on the back of the seat. Hey guys, I am starting this vlog in the car and we are on our way to a very exciting little meeting for an apartment that I am looking to get for when I go to university in the fall. I was looking for like student housing, I was looking on all these websites, and then we went on like apartments and we were just hunting for any apartment because I actually started looking really late in the game because I hadn't heard back from one of the universities. Well, actually, funny story with that, I actually did, but it was my mistake. I'm gonna explain that all in another video. I know where I want to go this fall, so now that I have that done, I immediately went and I tried to look for all these apartments, and I did find one that I think would be a good fit. I'm not going to tell you like what city because then that'll give away the university that I picked, but I might show like a little bit of sneak peeks. Like, Mom, do you think I should show like a sneak peek? Not the actual like whole apartment, but like yeah, I'll show like little clips because I also want to do like an apartment kind of move-in sort of thing, so I don't want to show the entire thing. I'm so excited, so let's go. Hey guys, we're going in. I think we just saw her waiting outside. I'm just in my little neighborhood right now. It looks pretty cute from the outside. Obviously, I'm not really going to show her in the video because I'd kind of be really weird, but I'm so excited. You just need something. I know! It actually is so cute. I love how there are just like tall buildings everywhere and everything is all like university. And there's people my age. And there's Booster Juice. Oh no, wait, I can't even have that. You can have Starbucks.
You'll find there'll be lots of places.
There's a tattoo and piercing shop right there.
That's good.
That's good. Thank gosh.
Okay, so Sadie, we'll go home and we'll get this settled with her.
Yeah, I literally think we should go home and fill out the thingy and then just send it. So does anyone not ever want to leave? But I actually like the atmosphere here, like in the neighborhood and stuff. Yeah.
This is the worst time.
Yeah, I know. This is literally when everyone's back for exams.
Is there anyone here?
No, I don't think. Like, there's literally like 3 people here and I don't really know them like that well. Like, they're like my friends, so I just saw on Snap Map, but that's it. Okay, I'm home and I changed into even more comfy clothes. Like, I was really gonna say like, oh, I changed into comfy clothes, and then I was like, I was literally already wearing sweatpants, so it doesn't even make sense. But I changed into even more comfy clothes. There's like levels of comfy. I wanted to be at the max of that. I actually am just gonna get ahead on my to-do list. I really thought that apartment visit was gonna take so much longer, but now I'm back and it's 7:30. I am actually going to be finalizing this video that I have been working on for so many days. Also, look at my nails, guys. What? This is the current video that I'm working on. These are the edits that I have, but I need to do even more. And then I'm probably gonna make the thumbnail too. It has a brand deal in it, which is why I just want to like get it uploaded and sent off for approval, because it's so much better when you send it off earlier than they actually need it. And while I'm doing that, I am 100% going to be playing my Escape Earth for a Sec playlist. Look at the little things that I did to my Spotify account. This is my little Spotify, wait, I can't even point with this hand because it like makes me mad. My little Spotify revamp. So I have a new profile photo. I put a ton of cute little photos, like new ones. I just updated them. Escape Earth for a Sec has to be one of my favorites. And then I have Morning Dopamine. Faves right now is actually a picture of me. I put a picture of me so that people know that it's my playlist because it actually has a lot of likes on it, which is kind of cool. Then I have a car concert, obviously. That's also me. POV, you're in Europe and life is a dream. To seem cool on Osk. And Sorry Girls Only. Oh, and there's more. Bro, I Might Cry. I love that photo. Oh my god, guys, this is so good. And then Let's Rewind Time, all my throwbacks. And of course I have Grease as the cover photo. I feel like this happens every couple of months just because I get tired of my own playlist names and stuff. But if you want to follow me, it's just Sadie Aldis. think I might cry. I just broke my car tripod. You've gotta be kidding me. Oh, I literally just broke it off. Like, I just broke the whole stand off, and now the stand is sticking out of my camera. I don't even have time for this. Like, I literally need to go. This is what it looks like right now. I don't even know if you can see it. It's like still in my camera. I can't even take it off. It's like stuck. No, 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 no. I literally, I don't have time for this. Oh my god, I'm just gonna have to keep it on. Okay, well, I'm heading to my nail appointment right now. I thought I was gonna do a little drive with me segment there, but apparently not. I have to order another thing. I also ordered a mic for this camera because I lost mine. Oh, and now I'm losing my voice. Something needs to go right. Because obviously fix the, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. We need to fix these nails. I'm gonna actually get a spring design. I saved the designs for the holidays and special occasions. I feel like I'm gonna be late. Yeah, I'm gonna be late. My appointment is in 11 minutes and I have to drive on the highway. Yeah, but I'll just show you. Okay, so this is a before. Filming on this camera is actually making me laugh because the thing is still freaking stuck to the bottom of it. It's actually funny to me. But these are the nails. Wait, actually, okay, I'm gonna show you a better angle. These are the nails. I got like these really cute pink swirlies. I wanted like a nice spring bright color, so I just got that. And I got the coffin shape, and I think they go really well with my gold jewelry. These are definitely an improvement from the ones that I had that were ratchet and broken. It was supposed to be $10 to take off my nails, and she just gave me $5 off of that. And I was like, that's so nice. And I tipped her an extra $5 because that's just so nice of her. She really did not have to do that. Hey guys, the days have been passing so fast recently. Like, it's 3:12 right now. I swear it was 10 a.m. like 2 seconds ago. Like, and I'm not even waking up late. Like, the days are just going by so fast. But Bailey actually just got home recently, so let me know if you guys want to see Bailey in a vlog. I can just like vlog our little summer-ish days because it's been feeling like summer recently. Like, the weather's getting so nice, so we're gonna go like to a driving range and stuff like that. But comment the little heart with like the ribbon wrapped around it. You know which one I'm talking about, if you want to see Bailey in more of the vlogs, because if she sees that, then she's going to know that you guys want her to be in the vlogs, and then I'll just like vlog what we're doing together. We don't usually do anything kind of like crazy. Like, we usually just like go to the mall, we like get food, we get coffee, we do car jam sessions, we go golfing a lot. I have to go help my dad pick out some glasses, so yeah. I am back on my bed again, as I usually am. This is my little office, even though there's a desk literally right there, but I always sit here to do work. It's just so much more comfortable. I am planning out content. I'm planning out reels, TikToks, videos. I'm planning out some affiliate stuff and some concepts for that, and also answering some emails and doing some random work. Yeah, and I feel like this is literally all I do. Guys, literally all I do, like recently, is get groceries, work out, and do work. Right now I need to do I'm doing an arms workout today. I actually just joined this really nice gym. I am in love with it. It just motivates me so much more to go, and I am in love with the gym now. Go to the gym, just like get all my energy out, and also like re-energize myself. It's just like the best feeling ever. I feel like I'm matching like with everything today, but this little shirt is amazing. It's from Walk-In, which I believe is a Canadian company. They just like sent me a bunch of clothes. I love this. Like, usually this is not really like a color that I would pick, but what? And it's so lightweight and soft. It's like buttery material. I feel like I look so like girly when I go to the gym. Got like my little like, pink workout bag and my little like pink phone case. So I'm actually saying today's gonna be really productive because I want to see Bailey tomorrow. So
Thing we ever dreamed, don't you want?
best workouts I've had in a long time, like one of the best arm workouts, but I have the biggest headache ever and I kind of feel like I'm gonna throw up. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm like on my period and like just feels like I'm gonna throw up all the time, which probably isn't like a good thing, but I still loved my workout. I'm still so happy I went, and I know this will just pass in like 2 seconds. I feel like this whole video has been in the car, but I just went to my appointment. I actually didn't have time to eat lunch, so I just like went straight there. I got my blood work done and it's fine. So I took this photo in the mirror at the gym today, and I was like, I was gonna just post it on my story, but I'm kind of thinking I should just like post it, you know, on my feed. I just really like the colors, and I like how it's like kind of far away, so I can like break up my feed. I don't know. I'm still pondering over it. I posted it. Literally just took it, edited it, and posted it. That is so not like me. I'm trying to really just like relax with Instagram and just post kind of whatever I want. So yay, good for me. Have my phone set up here, and it actually has really good lighting. I love how this is like a frosted window. It's like really diffused, but also like really good natural light. So over here, I just have all the products I'm gonna be talking, well, not really talking about, but just kind of showing. And the thing, these are like my absolute favorites. I'm actually gonna link all of these down below if you wanna just like go ahead and try them out. I guarantee you will love them. I just kind of like brushed out my hair. It's actually still wet, which I normally never do. I am not a brush out your hair after the shower girl. Like, I'm just not. I needed to film this and I didn't really want to dry it, so I just put some oil in it and then brushed it out. But I probably won't be doing that again anytime soon because I feel like it's not really good for your hair. But I also have this little chill playlist playing here while I'm filming this because I don't think I'm really going to be like talking in it. Yeah, let's get to filming. Okay, that's actually perfect. Wait. I've been so busy traveling from Toronto and my parents' house that I literally just haven't even had time to write down in my planner the things that I need to do. Like, I've been so just like crazy kind of doing stuff that I didn't even have time to write down my to-do list. Like, usually I'm like really busy, but I know what I need to do every day. But like now I'm just like, oh my gosh, what do I even need to do? There's too many things and I don't have a to-do list. And I'm like, what is going on? All these things that I have to do are kind of just like housekeeping stuff. Like, it's like emails. I have to like work out my budget for the next school year. I think my mom's actually gonna come with me today. Well, she's gonna meet me at the coffee shop, I think at around 4. It's like 2:15 right now. And I'm like, I haven't even had coffee yet today. Maybe that's why I feel so weird. I just feel weird. I'm going to university and I'm going to pay rent again. I have to figure out all of my finances, which I always feel so much better when I do that. I like knowing like how much money I can spend and how much I'm gonna save, how much I'm gonna invest. So I'm just gonna figure all of that out at the coffee shop. I'm actually going to Coffee Culture because they have the best iced coffee. Better than Starbucks. Sorry. I'm sorry. Almond milk iced latte from Coffee Culture. I think there's Coffee Culture in the US too. I hope it's like the same as it is here, but it's abso-freaking-lutely amazing. It's divine actually. And I'm gonna get that today. So I'm so excited because it is sunny, 14 degrees Celsius, and I cannot be doing better. Actually, I could have more stuff done, but it's fine. Last night I went to Toronto again, and I was literally gonna vlog it, but we were having so many issues getting to the restaurant. Like, it was just, I went out for dinner with my cousins, and if you saw my post on Instagram, it was the outfit where I was wearing like the black lace up pants and I had my hair slicked back and I had so much makeup on my face. It was that night. I just didn't vlog it. I was actually going to get like a nice montage of clips in the city, but we literally took a 40-minute detour to the restaurant and made it somehow on time, but we also left really early, so it like balanced out. So we're just literally in the car the whole time, and then we ate and then we left. So it wasn't really that interesting anyways. But today is grind day. Today is, Alexa, what's the date? Is it Friday? I think it is Friday. Yeah, so it's Friday, which is fine. I can get everything done today. Oh, I forgot to journal this morning. Yes, okay, that's fine. I feel like you shouldn't stress about journaling. Like, if you forget to journal one day, I feel like it's fine. Like, I feel like a lot of people put a lot of stress on, like, you need to be able to, like, journal and get all of your thoughts out in the morning every single day. But, like, if it was better for you to not journal in the morning, just to have, like, a couple of extra minutes to get ready or just to, like, feel more prepared for your day instead of, like, journaling, I feel like that's fine. Like, why even stress about it, you know? So I'm literally not even gonna think about that. I'll journal tonight, though. I feel like I'm gonna have some time tonight. It'll be really chill. Oh my god, I just realized I literally was gonna take the back road to this downtown area. My brain just took me to the highway. Like, I just realized I'm on the highway and I didn't mean to come this way. Like, I was heading, it's because I'm on the highway literally so often that like I just automatically go there. That's so funny. I just noticed that I was on the highway. tell you, I got another piercing. I literally did it so spontaneously. Like, I think I'm done. I just got my 4th lobe up here. She didn't use a gun, but she used a needle, but it was just lobe, so it wasn't any cartilage, but it was just that 4th one right there. I got like a stud, like a diamond stud. It's kind of more gold than I would have liked because I really kind of want them silver, like dots going all the way up, like silver studs going all the way up. In a couple of weeks I can change it when it's fully healed, so I just wanted to update. I also wanted to show you a PR that I got that I literally freaked out for. So I like, yeah, for sure, literally use this every single day. I have my little 5-minute journal here. It's by the brand Intelligent Change. They actually sent me 2 products. I got the mindful affirmation cards. Literally it just like comes with a stand. It's not sponsored. They're just amazing. Comes with little stands. Positive affirmation cards for every day. You can do one every single morning. But maybe I feel like I should just put it right there, like where you are right now. Like, they're so freaking cute. Are you kidding me? And then I got the notes to self journal. I actually requested that I got both of these things, like they let me pick. Those who seek to know themselves so they may leave a better legacy. Thank you for your courage. This is basically just like a journal to get to know yourself. Quote pages right there. Thank you so much, Intelligent Change. That's actually so nice of you. And guys, okay, I think I need to like show a little get ready with me to show this next product, but I got a PR package from NARS. This is their light reflecting foundation. Oh my gosh, I have never used a foundation and had it look so perfect on my skin. I'm gonna show you, obviously, probably in my next vlog. I'm probably gonna do a little get ready with me and I'll show you how easy it goes on. I will insert a little video of me wearing it with no filter on. It just looks so radiant and smooth and not cakey, but it is like pretty full coverage and it's buildable. I just put it on with a brush. You're just like going off like what I'm saying right now, but I need to actually show you. But I will link it down below and I will link these things. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe and press the bell. Stick around. I have so many more fun vlogs coming. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.